introduce our strip. Our strip also in one poly bag. Our package is 100 pieces in one poly bag or 100 pieces in one box. The price is about 0.043. The strip is very cheap, and it also can be used very convenient. We need 1 cup for urine. There is one blue line here. We put in the cup here. The urine cannot be up than this, lower than this blue line. And then you put in this way. 5 minutes later, you can read the results. 1 line, no pregnancy. 2 line, maybe pregnancy. You go to see your doctor. Yes. This is our brand. Pupil design. Another one is yellow design. We also has our brand name, elevation test. Same design, but not pregnancy test, not HCG test, but here write elevation test, LH. Now I would like to introduce our HIV test. Our HIV test has 2 different types. One is blood HIV test. Another one is saliva HIV test.